of the kitchen, walking to the frozen river. A few seconds before waking, paint dips to the ceiling and quietly splashes the colors of my day. Suddenly it was summer. Moods just keep changing. I'm already feeling better, like a new view of an old friend. So much that we haven't yet done. So much that we haven't yet done. So much that we haven't yet done.
Katrā sporta stundā ir viens idiots, kam padodas sports un nekas vairāk. Mums tas bija sporta skolotājs.